Hi, I'm Laura Meyer, founder and CEO of Envision Horizons, and I am incredibly excited to announce our new full-service Amazon affiliate management offering. For brands on Amazon, affiliate marketing can be a cost-effective way to bring new-to-brand customers from off Amazon directly to your product detail pages. But with the number of active Amazon affiliate campaigns within Creator Connections increasing almost 500% in the first half of this year, it's becoming increasingly popular and crowded. If you're not already investing in Amazon affiliate, there's a good chance your competitors are and you're falling behind. In addition to just helping drive more traffic to your Amazon listings, an Amazon affiliate strategy can help improve your organic ranking and create valuable social proof and brand awareness for customers that are researching within your category. And the best part, you only have to pay when someone generates a qualified sale. So there's almost no risk in getting started. We are in a new era of AI-assisted shopping. Having more links in affiliate content can make your products more visible to large language model generated responses. These shopping assistants are very new, but they're already guiding your potential customers all the way through the shopping funnel. And investing heavily today in affiliate is one of the best ways to position yourself for platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and other AI shopping tools. A recent study that Envision Horizons commissioned found that 75% of customers start their shopping journey somewhere other than Amazon. They're checking top 10 lists, they're reading in-depth product reviews, seeing what their favorite influencers recommend. Wherever your potential customers are, affiliate marketing, also known as performance PR, is one of the best ways to reach new audiences. The challenge is that with over 150,000 active Amazon affiliate campaigns running, it's becoming harder and harder to stand out from the crowd and ensure the right affiliates for your brand can find you. That's why at Envision Horizons, we're nurturing direct relationships with the top performing publishers and influencers and bringing our clients' campaigns directly to them. We can manage every aspect of your Amazon affiliate strategy, from campaign guidance and setup to gifting and sampling to promotion codes and analytics. And for our full service clients, we can even coordinate affiliate campaigns with your other Amazon marketing efforts to drive the most efficient performance across every channel. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or simply looking to optimize your Amazon strategy, we'd love to connect and explore how we can support you and your goals.